Hey, I'm Erica Bell, and if you are traveling this spring, first of all, congratulations. I hope to get some springtime traveling in as well. I'm so excited for spring, and it's funny, like, I live in Florida. It's not like I've been cooped up this whole winter. I think it's like we're having a cold snap right now. I think it's like mid 50s. So I haven't been cooped up. Like, I can't complain, but yet I'm still like super eager to get outside. Just something about the spring season just screams like outdoor adventures to me, exploration, all of that. So if you are planning something like that as well, you definitely want to pack these 10 essentials, okay? And they're in no particular order, right? The first thing, an umbrella or raincoat, some kind of rain gear. You can look at where you're gonna be going and see how much rain is forecasted. But again, spring showers, pretty common. Sunglasses are another big thing. I pretty much say this in all of my travel essentials. Sunglasses are so key to me, and they're like always something you forget, right? So yeah, have your sunglasses ready to go. Along those same lines, sunscreen. So maybe you are the person who's been cooped up all winter. Maybe you've been inside and haven't braved the outdoors. Maybe you have a mound of snow outside your house, whatever it may be. Even if you have been outside, you need sunscreen, right? So bring your sunscreen, pack some, make sure you use it. Good for your skin, always. Yeah, whether you're used to it or not, use it because you'll probably be outside a good bit. All right, so one good thing about spring, as we know, is all the new things that are blooming, blossoming, new flowers, new plants, trees, shrubs, you name it. But with that, especially if we're going somewhere new, we may be experiencing some allergy stuff. So I always like to say, like, have some kind of allergy medication. If you're using like essential oils, you know, there's all sorts of like allergy blends that you can carry with you. Usually it's like a lavender, lemon, peppermint, I think, that kind of helps alleviate that. Put it in a roller, voila. Otherwise, just go for something, you know, from the drugstore. That way, you know, if that pollen is getting to you, getting to your eyes, your nose, anything like that, just having something just in case you need it so that you can feel your best, feel healthy for the rest of your travels. And to continue on with, you know, talking about the beautiful things blooming and blossoming, don't forget a camera. Okay, I know many of us just use our phones, but camera, something to capture all the beauty that you're experiencing. Comfy shoes, also a necessity. You can decide what that means to you. Maybe it's a tennis shoe, maybe it's a hiking boot, maybe it's just a comfortable pair of like cute sneakers, maybe it's, you know, Converses, whatever. Depending on what you're doing, if you're sightseeing outside, like just different, I don't know, just exploring cute places, maybe a downtown where there's shops and stuff like that, maybe a nicer shoe you'll want to go with. Or if you're hiking and all that, then maybe you pick a hiking boot. So you decide kind of your adventure, but make sure you definitely pack something that's comfortable, because I mean, I think we've all been there where we've packed the wrong shoes and we're like just cursing every step that we take. You know, we got blisters on our feet or whatever, and it just ruins your whole trip, right? All right, bug spray. Again, you never know what you're gonna come into contact with. I remember, so we have family cabins up in Minnesota. We go there each year, and we took a hike one year close by, and it was like yellow fly season. I don't know if there is a season. I think it's just all summer actually, but they were like exceptionally bad. I have never experienced something like this up there, and I've been going up there my entire life. The cabins have been in our family for 40 years. So I've been going up there since I was little, and I've never experienced anything like this. We're hiking, and like with every step, they're like in your mouth. You're doing this. It was miserable. I don't know if having like some kind of natural bug spray, bug repellent would have helped or not, but I damn sure would have tried it, because we just had to go home. Like, it was that bad. So you might as well try, just in case. Again, you can like purchase these little bottles of, this is a natural bug spray, but you can just purchase these little like toiletry type bottles and put your bug spray in it, so you don't have to carry like a big whole thing, right? All right, a hat. I always love having a hat. So this can be good either for warmth for your head, you know, or obviously, and it makes the rest of your body warm, but, and also for the sun. So again, you kind of like can style it up, style it down based on what you're gonna be doing. Obviously, I would never wear this if I was going hiking. This is something nicer, you know, maybe I would just have a ball cap. But again, you get the idea. A hat can be so great for the sun and also for warmth. Speaking of something for warmth, spring weather can be so unpredictable, like I was mentioning with having like an umbrella or rain gear. Layers are going to be key. They're going to be your best friend in your spring travels. I love a denim jacket. I love it year round, but I really love it in the spring because mine's vintage. It's oversized, so I can wear a lot of stuff underneath it. I can, you know, pile scarves on top if I need to, and it's heavy enough to really still provide me some warmth, but then I can also layer stuff with it as well. So you, again, look at that forecast to where you're going, see what you need, but definitely plan to pack some kind of like thinner, breathable layers. That way you can take some stuff off. It's less bulky to pack, pile some stuff on, and all that. And last but not least, again, if you are out exploring, you're outside, because that's what I envision in my mind, right? That's kind of what I said in the beginning of this video. Like, I think of spring and I think of outdoor exploration. A lot of us have been cooped up, ready to get outdoors. Okay, so say you are going on those hikes. You never know what can happen. So have a first aid kit with you. You know, if you are traveling somewhere in your car, something like this is easy to keep in your car or in, you know, a backpack if you're going hiking. Of course, it does not have to be this big, pick and choose, you know, but if you get stung by something, or if you get blisters, or if you know, you get it, right? So you just never know what you're gonna come across, especially if you're exploring new places you've never been. Better safe than sorry, right? Okay. So let me know, are you traveling anywhere by yourself, with friends, with family, with kids? I wanna know. Tell me all about it, please. If you've liked this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm putting out new videos each week, and I so appreciate y'all watching them and spending some time with me, and I look forward to chatting with you guys soon. Thanks so much.